Hi, Mrs. Hoban here. Today I'm going to show you my screencast how to open Schoology through the GUHSD link, and then look at your courses, find an assignment, and then how to open an assignment. So you're going to want to come to your toolbar up here. You're going to click on the Schoology link and make sure that when you select it, it says GUHSD.Schoology. If it does not say GUHSD, then you are not in the correct one. Then you're going to log in with your school account. You might have all these other email accounts. Find the one that is your GUHSD.net to log in. And it'll take you to your dashboard. Once you're at your dashboard, you should have all of your classes here. I'm only enrolled in one class right now, but you might be enrolled in 6 or more, so maybe you would need to scroll down. Okay, you're going to select the course that you want to find an assignment for, and then you can simply just click on the assignments, and it will take you to that assignment. Sometimes you'll need to watch a video, sometimes you'll need to take a quiz, and then sometimes you'll need to do an assignment. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to show you how to do an assignment.